Here are the steps to become a notary in Utah. First, to qualify to become a notary, you must be 18 or older. Live or work in Utah. A citizen or permanent resident of the U.S. Able to read, write, and understand English. And you can't have any disqualifying offenses on your record. If you meet these qualifications, you're ready to get started. To start, you'll want to study for the exam, create an account on utah.gov, pass the exam, and pay the fee. After completing the test, you'll be asked to sign a waiver to submit to a background check. Purchase a surety bond with $5,000 in coverage, and take an oath of office that needs to be notarized by a current Utah notary. Next, log into your utah.gov account. To complete the application, submit your bond and notarized oath of office. When your application is approved, your certificate of authority will be emailed to you. Finally, you'll need to order your official Utah notary stamp. And although it's not required by the state, using a notary journal to keep track of your work is considered a best practice. Are you ready to become a notary in Utah? Then visit us at nationalnotary.org/Utah. Visit nationalnotary.org/Utah to get started today.